Swami Mazin, Anu Fiada, Arahosam, and yet ye, Adiachi, and a memeda sono, Eja eto Swami Mazin, Zone 21. I'm for we are said the NHS, a month for a japadi, a month for shops, and say grabu, a cobasi, the grabu casemua, Gara National Fire Service for, and a ja, memamrano, or Mokosu moi, it's me a doom Janet de Mawunum, say, be a yasumesi, and also Benton, and Anoso, Emma, a Janishi, and a dear, a bed in the fire service and penny for chess, and 50 money, moi, and I would more ashasia, one more a ye, na, or more, one money must see, one more shops, as she ye, and na extra bemum pedimfo se omani da so nyina e na ekro no no besrese pedimfo entwa omani emeboa wu no
ana me ye jobo ko no ana me na ko se ye shop o she me buy na te se je da no je da han jakotoa ko mudi die ma tietie mu na ye se we for boys bi na na no mu wi na mo ja Jan to and the man cross of fire. The people so say a warrior, the vision of power, and then she see a depot Palma, the Jano, she on the man of depot a buy. Yeah, by any enough fire cells for no how, no try so moving Jan. No ye, Naoma. Ghana, the woman said, I can't hear us the more. Etimiti edum jan said in case of say problem this year or mutipia no mutimi solve no eni ho nto mo try say boys ni bi emwa yenum jan no enti mo try bi kwa ha ne bi ba na especially for boys on ha mabo mo modern pa because of say kasa na esusi e wa ha nyina na kasa na esusi anyina na nyina wo da shop mo try pushika ni na de ba from ha na yi na ye se be jana na jano se de se no bla obi anim de ntia ade potiema ejana ede ehie
ya dano ade be chi ne memene da so na chese wo mo eniema nyina sekwa wo mo esrem perimfo se wo mo entwomani emehwe wunum afei yamfamo enkwa bamu ora Samuel okujeto ablakwa so ena mampere Dramani mama boni din samra so yafo gire tumu a o me soafo a obehwe o me yani ama hodo nkrato ne yenkitahudie ehon nsensem so me kire foreign affairs minister na papa ekomra so yefiem ema fiadan de ne kese eswani nsese ye ka kire wo ne mra so yafo no na kese nyasem keto akra na eno no mo kwa akobusa no se ya tete se America mampani a waba foforo Donald Trump ya na dwene se pam Ghana fo binom ene a ohuo bi aba baji ne kro no mu de aboso me yesese a Ghana fo bempim nsia 6000 ene ye pam wonum eno ro ku jeto ablako akwa ya no se ne mfifi mu ene ne nkoma a wadidie chese enuru sa nipa ye de omo free America memu ba Ghana ha sei no ene number 156 ya enru empim nsia no a amanfo kika no.
This is a matter that is of concern to a lot of Ghanaians. And since my nomination, I have diligently inquired from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs what the status is. There have been publications that about 6,200 Ghanaians will be affected. But from the brief that has been shared with me from the officials at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, they allege yes that the numbers are not that high, and that currently the official communication that the ministry has received from Washington is 156, not 6,200, 156 Ghanaians who face imminent deportation.
And which is so oral noa, Mampere Dramani mama, Ediaba, one day Nimuno, or Kasai a day efa.
Mr. Chairman, as I said in my introduction, one of the jobs that I am so proud of, and I will remain ever so proud of, is this sacrificial job to chair ORA. Operation Recover or Lose, which is a major plank in President Mahama's anti-corruption drive. The establishment of ORA is such a master stroke, and President Mahama ought to be commended. I can reveal to you today that since ORA was established, just by the establishment of the team and we receiving information from the general public, we have saved this country 20 bungalows which were going to be demolished. 20. And I can provide a list. Bungalows that were being occupied by staff of recent Department of the Foreign Affairs, the Ministry of Gender, the CSIR. Bulldozers had moved in, but because they called the Oral Secretariat, and we then called National Security to take action, they were able to protect these bungalows. I have not added the Du Bois Center, the NDA lands, which were about to be captured. So, President Mahama has saved this country a great deal with the establishment of ORA, and all of us must support ORA. Now we are having an international discussion.
Akwantua wono akwakwa so afa wo hwe o mayani amahodo nkitamudi ehon sensem so obetutu ena mampani susu akwantua eya na mpempi wotu no obehwe yesi akwakwa fa du pre dropping aba besu ono mama mampani amodi tukwan eno so yesese ho ka empimanim ono mubusa no se oba be so afo a oba be hwe o mayani amahodo nkitamudi ehon sensem so na mampani susu akwantu wona behwe aye ho ntutuye no wo ba betoa so akwakwa chechi adu pre dropping dia brema mpania mande etukwan anase ya nkasa presidential jet no a yesi esisi wonom no abebri na asese no on behwe sisi amama mpania hyase dia etukwan.
The second aspect of your question about the travel policy. This is a matter that I feel strongly about, and if given the opportunity to sit at cabinet, I will propose that Ghana formulates a presidential travel policy. If you take the United States, for example, when the president uses Air Force One for campaigns, for private use, he is made to reimburse the American taxpayer. So every campaign, they have an independent committee that monitors. If you use the presidential jet for private business, private fundraising, for campaigns, you pay back the fuel, the cost of using it, and all of that. So, and then they also have clear guidelines on who can use those jets and how they should be maintained and all of that. We don't have that. So, it is important to pursue that policy. And I can assure you that I remain committed to it, and I think that it is time for Ghana to have a presidential travel policy.
Observer about Samuel Kuyitu Black one yet in Kewayamra, Najas Waka Kupim, Naswija phone anymore, na anotutu no a coso and no. Ejina we soon pay, and some pop on the Babasum money at the Monsia Senia, sorry, I'm on my Hinasa Transibio, a day at the Achebia Jumedi, Atwa Mosokukua, the Chinchin Fidino, Edemamia no pay, Azu Cane school fees num, as a son a boy, Chidoma, Bebia Wubiano, it be by a Babasum, Momedi, Edenaya Boma Libia Bogano Pesuno, and Machebia.
Nefa wusimu nefa wonansia besia hono se ho chima eno ne fene siatika na etimi bubu to ase ka wo wusimu wuju bia enye na no 21st ne ke ba yejuma pa wo yenti abaso ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya senketua wo mo di international awards wo mo di local awards na no so na wo mo bi the only siatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrano ebibi bia first clinic wo mo di biduro ene be so ya no sa machine aka ho e ya sabia ya dia wo di ko ne ma di pa wo ma di wo pa